During the summer months, the deck is one of our favorite places to spend time. It is so relaxing, looking at the trees, the wind moving the leaves, and appreciating the sunshine. Since this is one of the places where we spent most time during the summer, we decided to give it a little makeover. Definitely needed some love. We had a lot of rotten wood, and it also needed painting. I also went ahead and purchased many planters to put flowers and vegetables around the deck, and some items like an umbrella, patio furniture. And here it is, the reveal. I will link in the description box the items and where we found. This is the patio furniture and the umbrella that I got. We have hydrangeas, petunias, a whole selection. Now the reason why we have so many containers is because we have a lot of deer. They love to eat our vegetables and even flowers like the lilies and the hydrangeas. So I put them closer to the house or to the deck. That way they can survive. Otherwise they will have a feast every night here. It doesn't matter if you're living in a small apartment and you have a small balcony, you can still have a vegetable garden in your patio. I have them here all in containers, again because of the deer, but we have bell peppers, tomato, limes, cilantro, herbs, and it's just wonderful. It's so rewarding just to cut fresh vegetables that you actually planted. I think there is something psychologically that harvesting your own vegetables is just it gives you this immense satisfaction, and it's also good for my kids to see it. I think it is just amazing. Now I like to put lots of flowers, so you can see one here, a mix of petunia, lilies, spikes, and then we have the same thing in this side. And I have some little ones around like these that they have smaller spikes, petunias and lilies, different color of lilies, like right there. And this is a sky pencil. Now this is another tree that I take indoors. I believe this is a snowball. I'd like to move this one. Probably it has to go on the ground soon, but as you can see right now it's still in a pot. So this is the view that we have from our backyard. I also added some lighting, and I think that changed the whole atmosphere. It is really nice to sit here during the sunset and turn the fire pit and just relax. It's definitely one of our favorite things to do when we are at home during the summer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will add here some of my latest videos. I hope you enjoy. See you in my next video. Salam and subscribe.